welcome to the class, students. So today we are going to complete our exercise 2.1 and 2.2. Things we have learned so far is our place value chart, expanded form and standard form. So our exercise 2.1 and 2.2 is completely based on place value chart, expanded form and standard form. In place value chart we have done our 5-digit number, 6-digit and 7-digit number. Right? So I request everyone to open your textbook page number 93 and be ready with your classworks. So see students, in exercise 2.1, the first bit is match the numbers with their number names. So I think this is very easy bit. You can try it. So today in this session we will start with our second bit. So let us see what is second bit. Place commas according to the periods and then write the number names. So here what they are saying, place commas. They have given the number, we have to place the commas according and then write the number names. Okay. So let us see if the first one. First bit. You write down the complete heading of first bit. Not first bit, second bit. So the first one is 6, 4, 5 and 8. Now what we have to do, we have to place the commas and then writing in number names. So what is the first step, how to place the commas? First to write the place values, right? So let us take the number once again, 6, 4, 5, 1, 8. Starting from the rightmost, we will write with ones. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Yes, we already know that 1000 and 10,000 will goes in thousands period, thousands row, right? So we will place a comma after 64. You can say after first 3 digits we will place a comma. Ones, tens, 100 is one row, 1000 and 10,000 is another row, right? So after the 3 digits we will place a comma. Now how to write in number names? What we said, number names are nothing but writing in words, right? In words. Now simply you see the number where the digits are lying, in which row or in which period, and then you write it. Okay. So now 64 is going under thousands period. So how will you write? 64. 64 goes in thousands row. So 64,000. Right. Next, 5 is in hundreds place. So 500, last 2 digits we will write at once, okay? So 500, 1 8 is 18. So 64,518. Right? What is the first step? First to place commas is we will write the place values. On the top, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Then we will place the commas. Then we will write in words. As 64 is going in thousands period, thousands row. So we have written 64,000. Next, 5, 1, 8. 5 is in hundreds place. So 500. Now last 1 tens. We know place value already, right? 1 into 10 means 1 tens are 10. 8 ones means 8 into 1 is 8. 10 plus 8 is how much? 18, right? 10 plus 8 is 18. That's all we have written. 64,518. Right? Now let us move with the second one. Eight 8029 0. So what is the first step? How we will write? First we will write the given number. 80290, right? Next what we will do? We will place the place values, right? Starting from the right. So ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Right? Now how we will place? After first 3 digits we will place a comma. That is 80 goes in thousands row and 290 goes under ones row. Now how we will write? We will write in words, that is number names. Now 808, 10,000 means 80,000. 80,000. same pattern which we have followed for the first, that is 9 into 10, 90. 0 into 1, 0 ones are 0. So 90. So we have written 80,290. Clear? What is the first step to write the place values? First we will write the given number, then we will place the place values on the top, then we will mark the comma, and then we will write in words. The similar way you can try the rest of the three, C, D and E. Now moving to the third one, read aloud the following numbers and write in figures. Now in the third bit they have given in words. We will write these words in figures. Let us see how can we write. I think you have this written in your classwork. Third bit. See what is the first one? 67,000. 300. 64. This third bit you can do in your turbo code. Next is 74,000. 327. Yes, see first one 67,364. So first before writing we will see which is the highest place. So see here it's 100, after 100 there is a 1000. So highest place is 67,000, means we will write the place value till 10,000. So let us write first ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Right? Never write only till 1000. This is 67,000, not 6 or 7,000. 67,000. So we will write till 10,000. So what they are saying, 67,364. So we will start writing the 67 will goes in the thousands row. So 67,000. We have written the first two digits. Now let us move 300. 3 will goes under hundreds place. Now 100 place is here. So we will write 3. 3 into 100 is 300. 364. What we said, the last two digits at a time we will write. So 64. 6 will goes in tens place and 4 will goes in ones place. Now we will place the comma because this is one row and this is one row. After first three digits we will place a comma. So 67,364. 67,364. Right? Now let us see how can we write the second one. Again what you will see? You will see the highest place. So highest place is again 1000. But it's not only 1000, 74,000. So we will write till 10,000. So let us write first place ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Right? Now let us start placing the digits. So 74,000. So 74 will go under 1000 period. Next 300. Similarly again 100 place we will write 3. 327. 327. What we will do after first three digit we will place a comma. So this two in one row and this last three will be in one row. So how it is? 74,000, 74 in thousands period. Next 327, 327. Right? And the next, the last two you can write. Next let us move to the fourth bit. You just write this answers in your term book. Okay. Now let us see what is fourth bit. Write the place value of the digit 8 in each of the following numbers. So see, in this whole bit they have highlighted only 8, the digit 8. So what they are asking us, they are asking us to write the place value. How we have written place value? How we will write? Will multiply the digit with the value of its place, right? Let us see first. Fourth bit. So the first one is 1, 4, 7, 8, 6, 0. Now if you see, first we will count how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a 6-digit number. So we want the place value of 8. So let us first write on the top the place values. Ones starting from the right. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. Okay. So here what is the place value of 8 here? 100. So 8 into 100. It's nothing but 800. Right? 800 means 8 into 100 is 800. Anyway, correct. Either 800 or 8 into 100 is 800. Next year, similarly again we will write the place values ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. So again 8 is in 10,000's place, right? So what we will do, we will write 8, 10,000. Or you can also write it as, see how many, after how many digits you are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. This is a 5 digit. Means at 8 it is 5th digit number, right? So how will you write? 80,000. How many there are? Before 8 there are only 4. So before 8 there are 4 digits. But how we will place? After 3 digit we will place a comma. So after 3 digit I am placing here a comma. So 80,000. As 8 is in 10,000's place, 8 10,000 is nothing but 8 into 10,000. 8 into 10,000 is 80,000. If you know one table, 8 ones are 8. How many zeros are left? 4. I am writing the rest 4. So 80,000. Next, third. Again we will write the place values ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and here is lakhs. So 8 is in thousands place. 8,000. 8,000 means 8 into 1000. Now this is a very big number, right? If you know one table again, 8 ones are 8. How many leftover zeros are there? 3. We will write the rest 3 here. 8 into 1000 is 8,000. Okay? This is where we will write, first you write down what is the place values on the top and then check the 8 lies in which place and then multiply the number and write it here. Right? Now let us move on. So remaining the rest 3, that is D, E, F, you can try it. Now last bit in this exercise, fill in the blanks. Now this is a very easy. Here we know we need not to write completely, they have only given. Just we need to fill the blank. If you see first one, they have given 38,457. But here they have given dash lakhs plus dash 10,000. dash thousand plus 100 plus tens plus ones. Okay. So here they have given the number. Now they are telling us to fill this. So first to fill this, we have to write the place values here. So this is a 5-digit number, right? So first let us place the place values. Starting from the right, it is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Right? Now if you see here, they are asking lakhs. Is there any lakh here? We have till 10,000 only, no? Is there any extra digit here? No. So there are no digit in lakhs place. So 0 lakhs. Because they have given only 5-digit number. Lakh place is not there, so it is a 0 lakhs. Dash 10,000. See, starting from here, 3 is in 10,000's place. Which digit in here it is? 3. 3, 10,000. Next, dash 1,000. Now in thousands place, what is the digit? 8. So we will write 8 here. 8,000. Next, dash 100. What digit here it is? 4. So 4 is in hundreds place. So 400. Next, 5 is in which place? Tens place. So 5 tens, and the last one is 7 is in ones place. So 7 ones. This is how we write. Firstly, you write the place values on the top, and then check here which digit should go in a proper way. So here there is no lakh place, so no value in the lakh place. It is 0. Next here they are from 10,000, starting from 10,000. So 3 will goes in 10,000, 8 in 1,000, 4 in hundreds place, 5 in tens place, and 7 in ones place. Similarly, let us see what is the second one. That lakhs, 10,000. Again they ask. Next is 1,000. Next 100. Next tens, and last one will be ones. Right? So what is the first step? What we will do? We will write the place values. So starting from right, this is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. As there is no digit in the lakhs place, we will write 0. Next is in 10,000 place, which digit will go? Yes, you are right, that is 8. Next, in thousands place it is 4. In hundreds place, 3. In tens place, 0. There is no digit, only 0. So we will write 0 only here, 0. 7 in ones place. The last only one, C bit, you can try it. Thank you.